brand new colours from Sempertex, just launched, and they'll be available to pre-order from Tuesday. They fall into a new textural group called Pastel Dusk, and as you see there's 5 colours, which are Pastel Dusk Cream, Pastel Dusk Rose, Pastel Dusk Blue, Pastel Dusk Laurel Green and Pastel Dusk Lavender. They're beautiful colours that previously we've only been able to get by double stuffing, so now we can get them in a solid colour, and they tone in really well with lots of existing colours within the Sempertex range. They're going to be available in 4 round sizes, in 5-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch and 24, and modelling balloons as well. And I for one cannot wait to get started using them.